Hi friends, good morning. Myself Sudarshan with my friends Venkatesh and Basha.
Now we are performing small activities.
On present actions, interrogative questions.
Yes, let's start. Do you know Blackboard?
Yes, I know blackboard.
No, I don't know Blackboard.
Do you have mobiles?
Yes, I have mobile.
No, I don't have mobiles.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have girlfriend.
No, I don't have girlfriend.
Do they talk very fast?
Yes, they talk very fast.
No, I don't talk very fast.
Does Ramya speak fluently?
No, Ramya doesn't speak very fluently.
Yes, Ramya speaks very fluently.
Do you like the okay. Do you like to go outside?
No, I don't like to go outside.
Yes, I like to go to outside.
Do you making any wonderful thing?
Yes, I am making wonderful things.
No, I don't make wonderful things.
Do you like your childhood days?
Yes, I like my childhood days.
No, I don't like my childhood days. The job calendar?
Yes, Jagan releases a job calendar.
No, Jagan does not release the job calendar.
Does she go to college?
Yes, she goes to college.
No, she does not go to the college. Goes to the class.
Does he perform very well?
Yes, he performs very well.
No, he doesn't perform very well.
Does Narayana sir motivate very well?
Yes, Narayana sir motivates very well.
No, Narayana sir does not motivate very well.
Does she complete the project?
Yes, she completes the project.
No, she does not complete her project.
Does it looks very well?
Yes, it's look very well.
No, it does not looks very well.
Does Dhoni play very well?
Yes, Dhoni plays very well.
No, Dhoni does not play very well.
Does Jagan release the schemes?
Yes, Jagan release the schemes.
No, Jagan does not release the schemes. Do you know Python?
Yes, I know Python.
No, I don't Python.
Do you like a car?
Yes, I like a car.
No, I don't like a car.
Does Narayana sir teach very well?
Yes, Narayana sir teaches very well.
No, Narayana sir doesn't teach very well.
Does Ramya cook very well?
Yes, Ramya cooks very well.
No, Ramya doesn't cook very well.
Does Chandu accept the challenges?
Yes, Chandu accepts the challenges.
No, Chandu does not accept the challenges.
Does Sayed sir teach very well?
Yes, Sayed sir teaches very well.
No, Sayed sir doesn't teach very well.
Do you like your company?
Yes, I like my company.
No, I don't like my company.
Does Ramya perform very well in your project?
Yes, Ramya performs very well in my project.
No, Ramya doesn't perform very well in my project.
Does it rotate?
Yes, it's rotate.
No, it doesn't rotate.
Do you like Rajiv Gandhi?
Yes, I like Rajiv Gandhi.
No, I don't like Rajiv Gandhi.
Do you take breakfast?
Yes, I take breakfast.
No, I don't take breakfast.
Does Ramya take the challenges?
Yes, Ramya takes the challenges.
No, Ramya does not take the challenges.